little light inside the dark. May colors call and ideas grow, and lead you where you need to go. May every dream you dare to start become a window from your heart. Wishing you endless inspiration, endless wonder, endless creation. May your imagination always set you free to paint the world the way you see. Wishing you courage to begin, enjoying every color you blend. May creativity keep shining through and bring a world of possibilities to you. May every brushstroke tell your story, not for fame and not for glory, but for the happiness you find when heart and hand and color combine. And when the path is hard to see, may one small idea become the key. Wishing you endless inspiration, endless wonder, endless creation. May your imagination always set you free to paint the world the way you see. Wishing you courage to begin, enjoying every color you blend. May creativity keep shining through and bring a world of possibilities to you. There will always be another sky, another dream you want to try. Imagination. May every canvas help your spirit fly with every color, every try. Keep creating, keep believing. There is no end to what you can do. Wishing you endless inspiration and endless creativity in you.